The lock ring pliers are made from special tool steel. The tips of the internal lock ring pliers are hardened to 58 HRC and inserted at an angle that prevents the circlip from sliding off the tips. The lock ring pliers are used for fitting circlips to shafts. Several sizes are available, from circlip diameters from 8 mm to 100 mm for internal lock ring pliers, and circlip diameters from 3 mm to 100 mm for external ones. The sizes are indicated on the pliers for easier and faster tool selection. There are several types of lock ring pliers available for different applications, and additionally, straight or bent types. Straight, external, bent external, bent internal, and straight internal. The main advantage of the plus line lock ring pliers in comparison to standard lock ring pliers is that they are 30% more durable.